it's Levi again. Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we are making our own custom pasta sauce with the pasta. So we're going to make pasta and pasta sauce. So the pasta we are using today is this one. Also, get used to the pasta. I love pasta. But we're using Little Ears is the English translation. I can't necessarily pronounce that one, but I'm going to learn to. I need to learn. And then the ingredients we need for our custom sauce is olive oil to put in this pan, chopped tomatoes, some vegetable stock. It has to be the powder / granules or a cube that's crushed up. Some Italian style seasoning. Put this all back. Garlic, which you can't see right now, and tomato puree. And this part is optional, but you also need cheese, right? And the first thing we're gonna do is add some water and salt into that. And they're called Little Ears because of their shape. Then you turn on the hob to medium high, as in the last video. And then here, this is where we add. So we turn it on first to, I'd say about 5, which is high. High, but not like extremely high. And then pour some in. And make sure it's all over the bottom of the pan. It's okay if you add a bit too much. That's completely fine. Let that heat up a little bit. Break off that part. Right. And we're going to use 2 garlic cloves. So, as you can see here, this is 2. It might be more than 2, but it's 2. Yeah, it's 2. Okay. And what we do first is we peel the garlic. Make sure there is no skin on it at all. You can now. We chop the ends off. Right? I just chop the ends off, you don't have to. And then we cut it. Into tiny pieces. So you just keep cutting it basically. So basically now we add the onions in and let it cook for about a minute. I said onions, didn't I? I only ended up adding 1 clove because very garlicky. But most pasta sauces have garlic in. And now we add in the chopped tomatoes. We need a container for that, which is here. So you just open up the chopped tomatoes and add them in with the tomato puree and the granules, the vegetable stuff I mean. So add in the whole thing of this. Oof. You add it all and then stir it up. I don't know how much vegetable stock it said, but we're going to add a couple tablespoons just to thicken it up. So you just add it in. Like so. And then this this is when you add the tomato puree. Just squeeze a bit of it for now, because I don't know how much they want in it. Now you can add, obviously, some salt. Salt is important. Add some salt into that. And add some Italian seasoning, like this. Not too much, just some. And then what you do is you cut up some cheese and put it in. I am now adding in some cheese. You can put it anywhere. Just add it in and then like that melt. So now it's time to pour out the pasta. I can assure you, I am not pouring it into the sink on its own. That is not nice. So the pasta sauce is all ready, and we are just gonna simply add it to the pasta. So let's just do that. We're gonna add it to the pasta bit by bit, like that. It looks a bit orange, but that's like normal with pastas like that. But it looks great. And yeah, so let's pour this in. As you can see, it is very, very nice. Just, that's it basically done. Now what we're gonna do, put it into a bowl, like so. Looks so good, guys. I'm honestly gonna cry. It is that good. Right. We're gonna add some of this and some more cheese. So we just grate it in so it will melt over the top. That seems like enough. Maybe a bit more, because I love my cheese. Oof. Okay, just put that back. And now some Italian seasoning over the top, like so. And we're just gonna microwave this so the cheese melts fully. And yeah, and that is the pasta. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and comment down below if you have any suggestions of food, and I will record myself cooking it. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Today we are making... Oh no, of course knives are sharp. They have to cut things. We can't be having skinned... Well, we can't have skin on it, it won't taste good. Yummy. That's some good pasta, mate.